That is your career path, you know. A degree only makes you trainable. Now it's how you apply the degree to life when you come out into the world. And honestly, I don't think college really prepare you for that. The world kind of just like slap you in your face after college, you know. Where now people are looking to you, but people still have you as young. You still feel young, and you might get allowed to get away with certain mistakes, and you probably still live with your parents and them still shelter you a certain way, but society put like a weight over you will make you just a drop down. I wonder what you need for the which step to make from here, but me that say make the step where involve risk. Make the step where feel like you can change whatever situation you're in. That are the step where you need to make moving forward.